Hello, I'm Sam, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to update time zones and locales inside of DoesQA. A large portion of the internet runs on a JavaScript runtime engine which determines locales, translations, currency formats, and also what time zone you're in. These things can go catastrophically wrong. For example, on an e-commerce website, you could be looking like you're paying the wrong amount, or that your delivery is going to arrive yesterday instead of tomorrow. Let's take a look how we can cover this in our test cases using DoesQA. Right, now inside of DoesQA, I've set up an example flow using webbrowsertools.com/timezone to verify that the time zone is changing. This also does show the locale too, so this is handy. On my machine, I'm currently in the Europe-London time zone and using the ENGB locale. By default, DoesQA runs in the UTC time zone and the ENUS locale. To update locales and time zones, use the Advanced Open node. I've got two already here, so I'm just going to double click on one to see the configuration. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see language and time zone. Languages are changeable on Chrome and emulated devices, and time zones are changeable across all of our browsers. The locales are a drop-down list of very common locales. Same with the time zones. You're able to mix and match the locales and time zones to your choosing. I've already run this test case, so we can see the results here. The one at the bottom is UTC. Opening up this last screenshot here, we can see that it's got UTC as the time zone, ENUS as the locale. And then on the Asia Tokyo one, you can see on the last screenshot, we've got Asia Tokyo with the right time zone offset and the ENUS locale. To provide an additional example, let's clone these couple of nodes here and change the locale and time zone. Join them all together. At the bottom of this one here, we're going to change the language to French, and we're going to change the time zone to America, New York. We're going to change the name of this test case to America, New York. And we're also going to change the expected time zone to the America, New York also. Okie dokie. Let's hit play and see the results now. There we go. Now those three tests have completed, we'll check the one that we've just made to make sure that the values are correct. The assertion for the expected time zone has passed because America, New York is the new time zone. If your website or application relies heavily on time zones or locales, utilizing this functionality within DoesQA allows you to do over 100 different permutations of test case. This is just a small piece of what we have to offer, and we'd love to show more of DoesQA. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.